Hi, we're going to try a little science experiment that's also basically a craft and can be a musical instrument too. We're going to make a paper towel kazoo. You will need a paper towel roll. You will need scissors. You will need something to cover over the top of your paper towel. So we're going to try a couple of things today. We're going to try a baggie. We're going to try a piece of parchment paper, and you can try a paper towel or a tissue at home. So the first thing we're going to do is, and you can decorate your kazoo either before you do the experiment or after. So once you have your paper towel roll, your empty paper towel roll, not one that still has paper towels on it, you are going to speak into your paper towel roll like this. Hello everybody, can you hear me? I'm going to make a kazoo, a kazoo, a kazoo. And you might find when you speak in the paper towel roll that your voice sounds deeper because the sound of your voice is bouncing off the inside of the paper towel roll. So, oh, and another thing that you're going to need is a rubber band. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a square. Make sure that this is okay to do before you take the plastic bag. And make sure that you are careful with the plastic bag. You don't ever want to put a bag over your face. So please do not do that. Put it on the kazoo only. So you're going to take your plastic bag and your rubber band, and you're going to put the plastic bag over the one end of your paper towel roll, and then put your rubber band on it like that. So now, here comes the experiment part. We're gonna see what it sounds like through this clear plastic bag. And you know, you can also use plastic wrap too. So let's see what it sounds like. What do you think it's gonna sound like? Let's see. Hello, I'm talking through the kazoo. Oh, I think I'm talking through the wrong end. Maybe it's this end. Hello, I'm talking through the kazoo. Oh, I can feel like the vibration of the sound against my lips because I'm putting my lip right on the bag. I'm talking through the kazoo. It's tickling. If I talk through this end, does it sound different? I'm talking through the kazoo. A little muffled. Let's try something a little thicker. Maybe the parchment paper. Always make sure that you have permission to use these things, because these are all things that the adults in your home might want to use for cooking. Here's the parchment paper on the end of the kazoo. I'm going to try it on this end. Hello, kazoo, kazoo, kazoo. Oh, I like that sound. And let's see it this end. Kazoo, kazoo. Again, it sounds a little kazoo, kazoo. It sounds a little tinny almost. Kazoo. I like that sound. And if you do it this way, kazoo, kazoo, you can again feel the vibration of the sound. Now, let's try, I'm going to try the paper towel. See what sound we get with that. Get my trusty rubber band. Put that on there. What does the kazoo sound like? So you're gonna sound a little more muffled with the paper towel than you did when it was open. And that's because you have a barrier there. You have the paper towel, and in other cases, you have this parchment paper that was giving it that kind of, it was actually giving it more of a kazooey sound, a bzzz kind of sound, right? But, so now we know what it sounds like with these three different things. I'm gonna put my favorite one, the parchment paper, back on. And you might need an adult to help you with this. So either get a sharp pencil or a push pin, and let's make hold it still, don't hurt yourself, a hole in, a small hole in the kazoo and see if it sounds any different. Kazoo, kazoo, kazoo. I think I'm gonna make the hole a little bigger. I made it with the push pin. I'm gonna make the hole with a pencil. Try to get that in there. There. Oh, much bigger. See, can you see the hole? Much better. Okay, let's see what it sounds like now. Kazoo. Okay, so it still sounds a little like kazoo, kazoo, kazoo. No, I'm saying it that way. Kazoo, 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 kazoo. Right? What if you cover it up? Does it change the sound? Kazoo, 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 kazoo. So now the sound can only come through here. Kazoo. What happens if you make more holes? What would happen if you put something thicker on top? What if you put a towel on top of? What would that sound like? Would it completely muffle the sound? You can try putting more holes in. Maybe you could even get, I don't know. Maybe you could even make some music with it. I don't know. But have fun. Experiment with your kazoo. And let us know what your results were. Bye-bye.